Most people think creating viral AI videos costs money or advanced skills, but what if I told you there's a completely free way to generate factory videos, car restoration videos, and bulk AI content using VEO 3, and almost no one is talking about it? Without wasting time, open Google and search for Google Gemini Business account, then click on the Gemini Business link, or you can also check the link in this video description. Next, enter your Gmail address and click Continue with email. After that, you'll be asked to edit your business name. Once this step is complete, your Google Gemini account is ready to use. Now click on the Settings button and select the model you want to use, such as the VEO 3 video generator or Google Nano Gemini Pro, depending on your requirement. You can also create an agent to perform tasks automatically, like generating videos in bulk using VEO 3. For factory inside videos, I'll share a prompt template with you. Simply copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, you only need to type your main video topic, for example, mirror how sugar is made. ChatGPT will then generate factory inside video prompts. These prompts are divided into multiple phases, and each phase includes 3 different video prompts. Copy the first prompt, go back to Google Gemini, select generate a video, paste the prompt, and click the submit button. Please keep in mind that many people are using this tool, so you may sometimes see a system overload message. If that happens, just click regenerate response. After that, your first video will be generated in high quality and without any watermark. For best results, it's recommended to use Google Gemini in the morning, as most users are active at night. However, you can try it at any time. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.